Welcome to the office news.
Hello, please pay attention. Please pay attention. Welcome to the Office Security Emergency Alert System. My name is Logan Nichols. This is not drill. Extreme Cold Watch. Extreme Cold Watch issued February 18th at 2:37 a.m. CST until February 20th at 10 a.m. CST by NWS Houston Galveston TX. Areas affected: San Jacinto, Polk, Montgomery, Waller, Inland Harris, Fort Bend, Inland Matagorda, Coastal Jackson. Details. What? Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 16 possible. Where? Coastal Jackson, Fort Bend, Inland Harris, Inland Matagorda, Montgomery, Polk, San Jacinto and Waller counties. When? From late Wednesday night through Thursday morning. Impacts. Hypothermia will occur if unprotected people are exposed to these temperatures for prolonged stretches. An extended period of freezing temperatures could cause ruptured water pipes if exposed and unprotected. Dress in layers including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you go outside. To prevent exposed water pipes from freezing, wrap or drain or allow them to drip slowly. Make frequent checks on older family, friends and neighbors. Ensure portable heaters are used correctly. Do not use generators or grills inside. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates.